Let's see how easy it is to create an enterprise-grade Gen AI application using Google Cloud Vertex AI and SingleStore DB. Our application allows us to query customized information that wasn't available to the base model using natural language. We'll be using LangChain to scrape information from a web page and create a chatbot using Google's PaLM 2 model to answer questions about it. The web page we'll use contains an overview of Vertex AI's Gen AI capabilities. We'll start by deploying SingleStore on Google Cloud, which is available directly in the SingleStore web interface. Next, sign into your Google Cloud console and enable Vertex AI APIs with a single click. Here, you can choose a model from the Model Garden or use Generative AI Studio to fine-tune a model. Working in a SingleStore notebook, first we'll install all libraries, then authenticate to our Google Cloud account. Let's now use LangChain to crawl the web pages and load the text, then split it into chunks. Next, let's use the Vertex AI model to create vector embeddings and store these in SingleStore DB as vectors. And with just a few lines of code, we're done. Now, you can query the information you stored in SingleStore for accurate, up-to-date results delivered in real time. Ready to create your own Gen AI application? Visit SingleStore.com and start your free trial today.